Hi guys, welcome to the Maxkinon bundle marketplace. Here you can find lots of bundles according to your needs like HTML templates and Laravel, also mobile application Elementor templates also. Okay, so today video purpose of the reselling offer. We launch a reselling offer. You can easily purchase our plan for the reselling and reselling rights. Do you want resell our products? You can resell every product without any restriction. Okay, now click on the claim offer and you will receive a page. Take your earning with the next level. You can earn money from them by selling our product by reselling. Okay, so all item access you will receive and no refund. Once you purchase the reseller plan, you will get no refund because you have all access and you can download everything and instant download you will get. So here the reselling plan is starting from 2385 is the Indian currency, and a regular plan for the your business purpose. If you want a regular plan, you can get all item access with the regular plan, and you can use as a single domain for your business, and a reseller plan for your uh, reselling rights. You can resell it. You will get reselling rights and one certificate, and also update and WhatsApp support from us. Okay, so check out our plans and buy it. It's only 2385 INR. You can easily purchase and resell it. You can put our link to your website, also your marketing platform. Easily share the link after purchase to your clients. Okay, and for the regular plan, this one you can also try this plan. Also you can purchase as a single product like 100 plus HTML templates. You can buy is 299, just add to cart or membership. Okay, thank you.